According to a lawsuit filed this week by a former legal assistant by the name of Letitia Drayton, one of Donald Trump's new favorite attorneys, Alina Habba, in her private practice, created what the employee described as a hostile work environment through various different means, I guess I should say. What Ms. Habba is accused of doing in this particular lawsuit, one of the things at least, is that she would blast hip-hop music in the office and sing along to sexually suggestive lyrics, along with saying the N-word when it was said in the songs, and apparently didn't see any problem with it in front of the only black employee at that law firm. She also, after suffering a humiliating defeat from New York Attorney General Latisha James earlier this year, referred to her, or actually said, "I hate that black bitch. I hate that black bitch." Now, this is all alleged, of course. Habba denies that any of this happened, but let me talk about that particular phrase first. There is no reason to throw in the ethnicity. Like, you can say you hate her, you can call her names if you want, but when you throw in the ethnicity, that makes it a racist statement. You didn't have to say that she was black. You could have just said, "I hate her." You could have said, "I hate the B word." But you had to call her black. Like, that is some kind of an insult to her. And yes, if you said that, again, it's all alleged, if you said that, that is exceptionally racist. And again, Letitia Drayton is the only black employee at that firm. But it gets so much worse. Let me read this. This is from the Daily Beast, all alleged in the lawsuit. When Habba left and started her own firm, she hired Drayton as a legal assistant. The lawsuit alleges that Habba and her new firm partner, Michael Medeo, would regularly blast hip-hop music and sing along to raunchy lyrics that allegedly made Drayton deeply uncomfortable. The lawsuit claims that on January 26, Habba and Medeo played and loudly sung several songs in the office with sexually explicit lyrics that Drayton felt were, quote, both racially offensive and sexually inappropriate within the office setting. Every time Habba said the N-word, Drayton claimed she felt demeaned and violated. Songs that portrayed women as objects of male sexual gratification made her feel humiliated, embarrassed, and uncomfortable in the office, the lawsuit reads. Now, Habba, of course, has already responded to this lawsuit publicly, and her statement is, "Letitia is someone we love and care about and have for years. Letitia had never made a single complaint to anyone until she had decided to quit and ask for an exorbitant amount of money in return. I am disappointed by this lawsuit and the allegations, which are simply not true." Yeah, speaking of things that aren't true, you say that she never complained about any of this, yet here we have an exhibit attached to the actual lawsuit, an email from June 9th titled "Workplace Environment Feeling Uncomfortable." In it, the legal assistant wrote that the songs, Habba's alleged statement about the New York Attorney General, and other interactions made her feel uncomfortable. Huh. But you never heard any complaints from her, right? Like, this all just took you by surprise because you love her so much, and oh gosh, we wouldn't ever do anything like that, but she's clearly lying. They got the receipts. I've talked in the past about the problems that Habba is having with Donald Trump's other lawyers who view her as a bit of a hothead. They do not take her seriously, and they flat out, according to reports, just simply don't like her. Well, now we have another reason not to like this individual, assuming, of course, that these allegations are true. But if Ms. Drayton does, in fact, have this documentation to back it up that she called them out for this and asked them to stop it, I'd say this is going to be a pretty easy lawsuit victory for Ms. Drayton. Hey everyone, this is Aspen. And did you know that for the low cost of $0 per day, you can subscribe to the Fair and Balanced YouTube channel? We also encourage you to like, comment, and share, but again, click that subscribe button and help Aspen not be so grumpy.